Welcome back to our Canva Classroom. I am so thankful that you are joining us for one of our weekly lessons this week. This will be a brief overview of the background possibilities that Canva has to offer. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so if you're new to Canva, this is a lesson for you. Pull up canva.com in your browser or in the Canva app on your computer. Open up a new project. There are so many different ways to create a background for your project. You're going to want to look at the left-hand panel. There are a lot of options for me, but you may need to explore this little button called More to get them to pop up on your panel for the very first time. If you want fewer icons on your left panel, that's an easy fix too. If you click on the icon, a little X appears and allows you to remove it. Don't worry though, it doesn't disappear forever. It just moves back into the More folder. Let's look at templates to get started. This is a very quick overview. There are 3 types of templates. Free, which you can use no matter your membership level. Free with some paid elements. That means that some of the elements on the template require payment if you want to use them. And Canva Pro templates. This means that you must have a Canva Pro account to even apply them to your blank page. One of the upcoming tutorials will be an extended lesson about using templates for backgrounds. We will dissect 3 to 5 templates during that lesson and talk about all the fun ways to customize a template for your own design. The Background tab has all sorts of fun background options. Canva Free and Pro members can easily search for what they're looking for by typing in the search bar. Remember, there are free versions and Canva Pro versions. If you notice an image doesn't have free on it when you hover over it, it means that it's a paid version. However, there are plenty of background options for Canva's frugal users. Don't forget to look at the description of this video so you can see the timestamps for each of the segments in this lesson. This allows you to revisit the section you need. The extended lesson syllabus will also be listed in the description below as well. Uploading your own photos and videos is a feature for all Canva members. There are limits to what Canva free users can add, but you can find more information on that in the Help section. There are also several other ways to find photographs through Canva for your background. One of our episodes in the future will go through each one of these methods, including using some of the apps that are integrated into Canva for your use. Did you know that if you are subscribed to this channel and turn on the notification bell, that you will get alerts when I premiere a new Canva tutorial? If you see a premiere coming, you can also set a specific reminder to be well informed as the premiere time comes closer. I am always available to chat live during a premiere, and it's a chance for you to ask your questions about using Canva. The last part of this overview will take a look at the Elements and the Likes folder. You can use some elements as backgrounds, or overlay them on top of a plain background to make your background look more interesting. In one of the episodes during this series, we will dig in depth into this subject matter. I do want to show you very quickly the Likes folder. This awesome feature is available to all Canva users. When you click on the three dots, there will be a whole bunch of options for you to check. There might even be an Add to Likes button that you can click. A pro recommendation is if you use an element that you like, go ahead and add it to your Likes folder because you might not be able to find it to add to the Likes folder later. When we have this Elements/Likes folder tutorial, I will share a fun way to copy from project to project, especially if you can't find something you know you've used in the past. Not all three dots will give you the option to add to the Likes folder, so this trick will be useful in those cases as well. Our next video will celebrate our channel growth with 45 tools to use in Canva. Some of these tips and tricks are things that I have never shared before and are new to Canva. Post any questions you have in the comments and let me know which extended lesson excites you most. Templates for backgrounds, colors for backgrounds, photos for backgrounds, Elements and Likes folder for backgrounds. If you know other Canva users that need our classroom, be sure to share our channel link with them so our Canva classroom can grow. Remember to subscribe and do all the things to see more content like this. See you next time. Bye.